Like network can be, here one definition given, this one. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together. So what is we are enjoying internet? That is because of network. Okay, that is because of network. Second definition given,
Oh, yeah.
a network is a series of points or nodes interconnected by communication path. So this is another definition of network. Third definition given, a network is a collection of computer, server, mainframe, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another, allowing for data to be shared and used. So this is another definition. Okay. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printer and CD, exchange file, or allow electronic communication. The computer on a network may be linked through cable, telephone line, radio wave, satellite, or infrared light beam. So these are some definitions. This is complete definition of network. Okay, kind of. This is also best definition of network.
Okay.
So networking means the purpose of network is to basically share data, resources, hardware, software, anything which you want. See here different types of network. This one, and this is internet. These are connected with each other. These are connected with each other. There is a firewall. This is firewall. Okay, because of internet. Now go through this one. Purpose of network. Just go through.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm done.
Okay, you understand these three benefits: file and data sharing,
Yeah.
resource sharing, and data production. Two more given.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the P1, is there any pseudocode and stuff?
No, P1 is theory. Chapter 1 to chapter 8.
Only theory.
Yeah. Paper 2 has programming, no?
Okay.
Which we have done. Some basic we have done, paper 2. We will do furthermore. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So they have started chapter 1. That is why I have started chapter 2, so that you can be advanced. Now see benefit of network. So easy communication and speed, ability to share file, sharing hardware. One hardware can be shared by many people like printer, sharing software like Google, you know, security, speed. These are the benefits you can
Yeah.
get through network. Now see disadvantage of network.
Now, possible loss of resources. Okay, I'm done.
Now these are basic element of network. If you want to establish a network, you must have sender, sending device, receiver, receiving device, and between them there is a transmission medium, network path. It can be wire or wireless. Can be wire or wireless.
Wireless.
Data move through medium. Data itself, this is data which you want to send. Like I'm speaking, you are listening. So this is data. Protocol. Fifth thing is that is very important. Set of rules that govern data. You must set a protocol for both sender and receiver. Then communication will perform like TCP/IP. Have you heard of TCP/IP?
Uh,
TCP/IP.
no, I haven't.
HTTP.
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
We will discuss in detail. Okay, these
yeah,
are some
HTTP.
protocols which basically help to exchange data, perform communication. So there are various kind of protocols. Here some detail is given. Message means data itself you want to transfer. Sender can be a device that send the message. Receiver can be a device which receives the message or data. Transmission medium like the physical path between sender and receiver. The message travel like wire or wireless. Protocol, it is a set of rules that govern data communication. And basically, it is an agreement between two parties to perform communication, how they will perform communication. It represents an agreement between the communicating devices. Without a protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicating. If you don't have protocol, devices might be connected but could not transmit data. So this is sender, this is receiver. Protocol means rules. If you have to follow some rule, then communication will perform. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. These are some networks. The first network was LAN, local area network. The computer are geographically close together, that is in the same building. LAN basically,
Yeah, yeah.
it is a network within the building, within the boundary. Okay. If two LAN are connected with telephone line, two or more than two LAN, if connected with telephone line, that is called WAN. WAN cover a large geographical area. The computer are farther apart and are connected by telephone line or radio waves. Okay, third one is metropolitan. Leave this and leave this. Metropolitan area network, a data network designed for a town or city. Okay, but this is very rare exist.
Okay.
Commonly, network exists is only LAN and WAN. These two network commonly exist. So internet is the example of WAN. Okay, internet is the example of WAN.
Van.
Now here is
LAN or WAN?
no, LAN and WAN both.
Oh,
This
yeah,
one,
okay, okay.
this one exists within the boundary, and this one exists outside the boundary. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So WAN
Yeah.
is the larger network. WAN is the larger network
Larger.
which cover
What
continent.
about the WLAN, the WLAN? We're
Wireless
not
LAN.
doing it?
No, no, that is wireless LAN.
Yeah, wide
That
low.
is that is part of this LAN. LAN is connected through cable.
Okay.
Okay, but if you connect with without wire, it is WLAN. This is called. It will come in the next part.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
It came in yeah, it came in O level, IGC.
Ah, yes, but it is coming also in your course. WLAN.
Oh, okay.
WLAN means wireless LAN. This is part of that LAN. LAN can be wired or without wired. So there are two
Yeah.
net. So basically, there are many networks, but in the reality, and most used networks are LAN or WAN, which are existing around you. Now
Okay.
see, this is the detail of LAN. Just go through.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That you understand this description?
Yes, sir.
See this one, LAN. Okay, each computer connected with each other through wire or without wire.
Yeah.
Now this is WLAN, which you were asking.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now see WAN.
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this one. Different LAN are connected through telephone line, so that is why we call it
Yeah.
WAN. This is also WAN.
Okay.
This is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network.
Okay, sir. I'm done.
Now see, these are metropolitan. Metropolitan we call city. A network within the city is called metropolitan area network. Okay, this is rarely exist, but it exists.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay. But you need like, isn't it like expensive?
Yeah, it is expensive. This kind of network, it can be a company who is serving only within the city and establish their own network. Okay, see here,
Okay, sir.
this is GAN, Global Area Network, a network outside the Earth, satellite network. Okay,
Okay, sir. I'm
Okay. In LAN, there are two kind of environment. Okay. There are two kind of environment. One is peer-to-peer, second is client server. One is peer-to-peer, second is client server. Peer mean equal. Peer mean equal. And client server means one computer acts as a server and other will basically follow. Other will follow. Like peer-to-peer. Give me 1 second. Okay. Give me 1 second. Wait. So peer-to-peer means equal. So this is kind of network exists within the LAN. You can operate LAN using two environments. One is peer-to-peer, second is client-server. In peer-to-peer, all computers have same status. A network where two or more pieces are connected and share resources without a separate server. There is no need of server. Basically, server is a computer which control other computer. Ad hoc connection, example of peer-to-peer network where few computers are connected to transfer file. Equivalent workstation. Each workstation in a peer-to-peer network has equal capability and responsibility.
Yeah.
Okay. There is no computer which can dominate or control other computer. Okay. Difference from client server, unlike peer-to-peer, client server network have dedicated computer serving others. Simplicity versus performance. Peer-to-peer network are generally simpler but may not perform as well under heavy load. If network is small, so then peer-to-peer is best. But if security is not a concern, then you use peer-to-peer. But if you want to have a security, okay, if you want to have a security or and to operate larger networks, then you need to go for client server environment. Like see here, all computer connected through a device hub. Hub is a central device which connect other computer. Tier one mean yeah, the operating system. Most of the computer have same operating system. It can be different or most probably same. But the thing is that no computer has control to other. Got the point? Each computer has same capability and power. Only data sharing, hardware sharing can be performed, and security is not a concern. Got the idea? Yes, Umar? Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
So second is client server. This is a client server model. A distributed application structure dividing tasks between server, resource provider, and client service requester. Client give the request to avail a service from the server, like email login, password login, uh, internet, okay, printing facilities, software access. So these are the services required by client and also given by server. Client server architecture, each computer or process on the network is either a client or a server. So server, powerful computer, it is a powerful computer or process managing resource like disk drives, file server. Server can be many types. File server, print server, even network server. Client, PCs or workstation where user run application. The dependency client rely on server for resources such as file, devices, and processing power. Okay. So these are the feature of client server. Here you can see. This is central device through which all computer connected workstation. This is workstation, scanner, fax, but this is a server, which basically controlling all other computer. Okay. Is this clear? So remember,
Yeah,
there
okay.
are two types of environment through which you operate your local area network. Got the point? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. There is another term for network
Yes,
that
sir.
is private network. Okay. A network, a computer network that uses private IP address. Do you know IP address? IP address is a logical address,
Yeah.
okay, which used to connect computer. Logical address. Physical address is MAC address. Common use, typically used in local network for home, office, and enterprise. So these are all network basically considered private network. IP version, both IP version 4 and IP version 6 have defined private IP address range. So we can use both kind of IP address like IP version 4 and IP version 6. This is the old one and this is the new one, which has a lot of a number of devices can be supported. Got that? Now this is public network.
Okay.
Okay. A network that anyone can connect to. The internet is the most common example of public network. Okay. So include internet access and both local and global networks. A network that is open for anyone to connect to. The internet is the best example of public network. Like access public Wi-Fi cafe, libraries, or airport is a practical example, allowing anyone within range to connect. So these are public network. A network which is accessed by anyone, anywhere. So internet is the best example. Okay, got that?
Yeah.
The client. So a thin client or lean client is a virtual desktop computing model that run on the resources stored on a central server instead of computer resources. Normally, we have if people are working in office, they have their own computer, their own storage, and they have their own processing. But in thin client, there is no storage, there is no processing. All storage and all processing will be done on central computer that is called server. Such arrangement is called thin client. A client which has no processing, there is no processing on client side, okay, and no storage. Normally, thin client take the form of low-cost computing device that heavily rely on a server for computation. Everything will be performed on a server.
Sir?
Yeah, got the point? Like see this. This is file and print server.
Yeah.
Now you can see there is no PC, no CPU, no storage. Only they have monitor and mouse or keyboard. That is why they are called thin client. File can be accessed from any client. Peripheral can be shared like printer. Increase security because you are connected to a authentication server. This is the authenticated server. The server can monitor you what is going on. Okay. This PC is asking login request and this server is giving user file, data and printing request is going on. So these kind of arrangement is thin client. Okay, got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you can see these are thin clients. They have no PC. Everything is accessed through here from server. Okay, they have only device. This is device. No CPU, no storage. Everything exists here. Storage and processing. Now thick client. A thick client is a form of client server architecture. Specifically, it is a network computer system with most resources installed locally. rather than distributed over a network. So it means a client will have a storage, their own storage and own processing. Essentially, any device that can function completely independently of a remote server is a thick client. Everyday example of thick client include desktop PC or laptop running Windows or Mac OS. Got the idea? Here you can,
Yeah.
okay, here you can see, now see, thick client. This computer has own storage and own processing. Okay, it is accessing data from application server only, and this is given by database server. Got the idea?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now go through these pros and cons. Just go through.
Okay. So one second, can I come from the washroom?
You can finish. You have 4 minutes more. Just go
Oh,
through
okay,
this.
sir.
Just go through this, and then you can end. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Umar, have you done?
Sir, last.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay.
Rafi.
See you next class. Love this.
Okay, sir, Allah Hafiz.